know your name?
Yeah, my name is Courage Aleto, aka Coriano Azanga.
It's a very powerful name. Can you tell us about the name? Maybe yourself too.
I am from Edo State actually. I'm living in Lagos right now. So I'm a musical artist. I sing dancehall, hip hop, R&B. So that's what I do.
Alright, Coriano, I was particularly interested in the way you mentioned the name. I just want to break, how do you come by the name?
Okay. Concerning the name, you mean Azanga or Coriano?
Coriano and Azanga together.
Alright. Coriano came when I was trying to get a name that suits the name Courage. It's just a little bit of removing and minusing and blessing and everything.
Alright.
So something like that. So I checked Coriano on the internet. I saw the meaning, creativity. I decided to take it out. Thank you very much.
Alright, Coriano, I quite know that elegance have taken you thus far. Where do you see yourself? Where do you expect elegance to take you further?
Yeah, I am so happy actually for being in this team actually. I'm so very happy. At first I was thinking maybe it's something, it's not real, it's fake or something like that. But I'm here, I'm just happy that I'm in the right team. Elegance is classic. So I want to see them improve me in every aspect. In singing, rapping, promoting, writing, and everywhere, every places that I'm getting it wrong in music, I want to see them push me to the top.
Alright, thank you very much, Coriano. The fans are watching you right there, viewers are there, they would like to hear something from you. What do you have to encourage them?
Yeah, just like you fall, you stand up. You fall, you keep on standing up. You don't remain on the floor. No matter how, maybe you don't have supporters, you come out from the slum, you are nobody, you are an orphan, there's nobody supporting you. You have to support yourself. You have to push yourself to the top. No matter how it is, no matter how.
Alright, thank you very much, Coriano. We would like to welcome you once again. Thank you.